You and me in our first dance, our eyes too close, we're lost in one sweet embrace. Since those days the world has changed, but our love remains the same. That knows we had our share of saving grace, and I'm proud of all the blessings you have given me. The mountains we have climbed to get this far. You learn to take the laughter with the tears after all these years. You make me feel value after the past that we walked through. Against the odds we never lost our faith, in a house we made our own, where our children all have grown. Place so small when time cannot erase. Make a leave it now, but now they can see our eyes. Seasons that we never share apart. Somehow in my heart I always believe, after all these years. After all these years, you stood by me the days, the nights that I was gone. After all these years,